Hello guys, we're going to show you how to mount up the T-Bone Racing XV7 Rear Bumper and wheelie bar to the Arrma Granite 4x4. So let's get into it. First off, pop off that body. Here is your bumper with your little wheel in there, your little mini wheelie bar there. We did that because due to the low ride height on the Granite 4x4, we couldn't mount it up in the traditional T-Bone racing location, so we just added a small wheelie bar down there. The whole unit should come fully assembled, so if it's not, let us know. But yes, it should definitely come assembled like that. First step will be to remove the stock rear bumper. And that's just these two M3 screws up here for this brace. Pops off. I'll just leave those in there for now. Next step, you have an M3 screw here, M4 screw there. Take those out. Alright, so I'm going to just take off this bumper here. Assuming I can. Okay, snap that off. Alright, so next thing you want to do is to remove this stock brace from the bumper assembly. And that should just be, well, let's see, oh, there they are. Those two outside M3s. Okay, so I took those out. We want to keep this part and the little brace, and then we do not need the stock bumper unit any longer. So what we got to do next is to mount the stock brace to the T-Bone Racing bumper unit. And that is done by with these aluminum spacers and these much longer M3 button heads. Okay, so see, these will be mounted on the outside, so just as these two inner holes, those will still mount to the car, so these two outer holes will mount to the T-Bone bumper. So let's take these M3s, and we'll put them straight through. Looks like this will probably thread through a little bit. Alright, one, and then on the outside again. I don't believe this brace has an up or down, so you don't really need to pay attention to that as long as you've got the front to back straightened out. Okay, so you have your two screws through. Spacers go on the screws, and then these go straight through the bumper. Okay, just like that. And then we supply these M3 lock nuts, which will mount just on the other side there. So let me do that real quick. Start with this one. All right. All right, sorry about that. We had a little video skip. So yeah, just finish mounting up that brace with the two M3s and the two lock nuts, and then you're ready to mount the TBR bumper to the car. So you will use the two stock screws that we had there, with the minor exception of adding some spacers. So that we include these two silver spacers. These are for the M4 up front. One day I won't knock that one off. And then you have this black thicker spacer which will go towards that M3. Right, that just stays exactly where it's at. And so this just mounts directly on the bottom. Nice and snug. All right, just one step remaining. Let's make sure that one's tight. There we go. And that is to hook up the brace to the car. So we have these holes going straight through the bumper, so you can reach back there and just make sure this is going up where it's supposed to go. And snug it in. There we go, got that one. Let's double check, make sure that one's tight. There you are. Alrighty, and that is how you mount the XV7 rear bumper and wheelie bar from T-Bone Racing to the Arrma Granite 4x4. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time.